Hi, welcome to my channel Mathemagic with Mohsin Raza, and thank you for supporting me, and please keep supporting me so I can put the more interesting videos. So there are many playlists I have created, so please look into them to get a more interesting and informative videos related to the preparation of Olympiad Mathematics and more others. So today I come up with this question. That question is to find this complicated sum and having our radicals on the numbers. So this is on the screen, you can see that. So how to tackle such kind of problems, so let's see. But before going to see how we can do this, please subscribe my channel for and press the bell icon for more interesting videos. So let's see how to solve this problem. So here, if you see, look into that, then this the whole number can be this the whole sum can be written as a summation form, like summation. And if we take that summation on to the n, and this is from n to 2021, and this is the square root of 1 plus 1 over n square plus 1 over n plus 1 whole square. Have you got this? Because if you plug the n equals to 1, then you will get this term, right? And if you plug the n equals to 2, you will get this term. And similarly, if you plug n equals to 2021, you will get this last term. So this is actually that what we need to find the sum from n equals to 1 to 2021. So let's say this is a n is equals to 1 plus 1 over n square plus 1 over n plus 1 whole square, and that is a square root. Okay, so if you see, we can simplify by taking the LCM, and if you take the LCM of it, you get n square into n plus 1 whole square, and in this here you will get n square into n plus 1 whole square plus n plus 1 whole square plus n square and whole square root. So how we can solve this? So let's see. By simplifying, we get a n equals to that. First of all, I need to write the all thing that we had. So that was n square into n plus 1 whole square, and here that was n square into n plus 1 whole square plus n plus 1 whole square plus n square, right? So if you take the common n plus 1 square from the first two term, you get n plus 1 whole square and into n square plus 1 plus n square over n square into n plus 1 whole square and whole square root. Okay, so here you can open this square, because this is equals to what? This is actually a plus b whole square, which is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. And by using this, we get what? We get n square plus 2n plus 1 into n square plus 1 plus n square over n square into n plus 1 whole square square root. And here you get what? You multiply this whole bracket to this number, which is n square plus 1, and you get what? You will get n raised to power 4 plus n square plus 2n cube plus 2n plus n square plus 1, and this is last term, this is n square over n square plus 1, n square into n plus 1 whole square, and this is the whole square root. Okay, so what is this? This is n raised to power 4, and if you add up the number, you will get n square, n raised to power 4 plus 2n cube plus 3n square plus 2n plus 1 over n square into n plus 1 whole square, and this is the square root. Okay, now we see that this number n raised to power 4 plus 2n cube plus 3n square plus 2n plus 1 is what? This is, let's say this is actually n square plus 1 plus n and a whole square. How it is? So you know that the formula which is saying that if you have the sum of the three terms and you are taking the whole square, then this will be equals to a square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca plus b square plus c square. Okay, just put a equals to n square and b equals to 1 and c equals to n. Then you will get what? You get n raised to power 4, and b is 1 square plus c is n, so it will give n square plus 2, and this is n square plus 2, and b is 1 and c is n, so this will give 2n, c is n, and a is n square, so this gives n cube plus this will give what? This will give 1. We have got this, okay, already. So from here you can see that this is n raised to power 4 plus 2 n raised to power 3 plus 3n square plus 2n plus 1. So from here we get an is the square root of n square plus n plus 1 over n into n plus 1 whole square, and here also square, and square root will cancel out, and we'll get what? We get n square plus n plus 1 over n into n plus 1, which gives what? This is actually n square plus n, and this is n square plus n. This will cancel out, will give 1 plus 1 over n into n plus 1. So this is our an up to now. So we have an equals to 1 plus 1 over n into n plus 1. So how we can write this? So we assume the partial fraction for the last fraction, which is 1 over n into n plus 1, and we get what? So let's say this 1 over n into n plus 1 is equals to a over n plus b over n plus 1, and this implies that this will gives an equation which is equals to 1 equals to n plus 1 into a plus nb, just by multiplying n into n plus 1 on the both side. So when you plug n equals to 0, you will get a, which is equals to 1, and when you plug n equals to minus 1, you will get b, which is equals to minus 1. So from here we can say that this 1 over n into n plus 1 is nothing but can be written as 1 over n minus 1 over n plus 1. So what we have up to now? So we have an equals to 1 plus 1 over n minus 1 over n plus 1. And what this sequence seems, this is Bn, which is equals to 1 over n minus 1 over n plus 1. So if we want to find the summation n equals to 1 to 20, 21 an, so first of all this 1 is adding up the 20, 21 times, so this will give 20, 21 plus, and what would be the sum of it? So if you look, if we plug 1, we get 1 over 1 by 2, then plus that second term will be 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, plus third term will be 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4, and so on. And the last term is 1 over 20, 21 minus 1 over 20, 22. Okay. So from here you can see that this is equals to 20, 21 plus 1, and all terms will vanish, and we are end up with what? We end up with only this term, which is 1 over 20, 22, so with negative sign, which gives actually 20, 22 minus 1 over 20, 22. So this is our answer. So is it interesting? Yeah, that's very interesting and seems very difficult, but it is easy once you know the trick to solve the question. So please look into the playlist that is created on my web channel, and that is about the International Mathematical Olympiad, and moreover there is a playlist about the SAT and others. So please look into them and find an interesting videos, and please subscribe the channel for more interesting and exciting videos. Thank you so much.